Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we will do the work on the workbook of SST unit number 3, Continents of the World. First of all, choose the correct answer on page number 11. The oil producing nations are in Asia. Dash is the world's second smallest continent of surface area, it's Europe. Number 3, Dash is the largest country of South America in terms of both area and population, it's Brazil. Temperature can reach Dash in some regions of Antarctica, it's minus 87 degrees Celsius. Dash is the second largest continent in the world, it's Africa. China, India and Japan are the most economically developed countries of Asia. The B part is tick the correct statements and cross the false one. Europe and Asia are combined at times and referred to as Eurasia. Tick. Asia is broadly divided into 6 regions. Tick. Russia has a portion of its land in both the continents of Africa and Asia. Cross. Asia has 12th largest economy in the world. Cross. Amazon rainforest is the world's largest rainforest. Tick. Europe is the third most populated continent. Tick. Next page. Match the following column A with column B. Number 1, look at the column number A, highest peak in the world. Column B, it's Mount Everest. Match it with Mount Everest. Biggest political union in the world. Match it with European Union. Number 3, 50 countries and several territories. Match it with Europe, Africa, Black Continent, Australia, Island Continent, South America, Amazon River, Antarctica. Match it with Frozen Continent, not officially organized by United Nations, Taiwan, Mandarin, Asia. Okay, the question is, give the short answers. Question number 1, what is Pangaea? 7 continents were all connected into one supercontinent surrounded by a large ocean. This supercontinent was called Pangaea. Next page. Which is the largest desert in Asia? Gobi Desert is the largest desert in the continent Asia. Which countries span on two continents? Russia and Turkey. Understand the questions and answers accordingly. Why Africa is the hottest continent in the world? Because Africa is situated at the center of the earth on the equator and it receives direct sunlight. Next page. Complete the fact file about given continents. Number 1 is Asia. Countries 51. Ocean, Arctic, Pacific, Indian. Languages English, Arabic, Mandarin. Religion Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism and Sikhism. Number 2, Africa. Countries 54. Ocean, Indian and Atlantic. Language Arabic and Swahili. Religion Christianity and Islam. Number 3, North America. Countries 23. Ocean, Atlantic, Pacific. Language Spanish and religion is Christianity. Next, Europe. Countries 50. Ocean, Atlantic and Arctic. Language English, Spanish, Italian. Religion Christianity, Islam and Judaism. Australia. Countries 3. Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Language English, Italian, Greek and religion is Christianity. South America. Countries 12. Ocean, Pacific and Atlantic. Language is English, Spanish, French. Religion is Christianity. Dear students, complete all this work on your workbook in neat and clean writing. Jazakallah.